In this video, how to remove or hide the recycle bin icon on desktop in Windows 10. As you can see, the recycle bin icon is undeletable. The first way, right-click on the desktop, then select Personalization. Select Themes option. Scroll down, then click on Desktop Icon Settings. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, uncheck the Recycle bin under Desktop Icons and click OK. If you prefer a clean desktop, you can also hide all the icons from your desktop, including the recycle bin. You can bring back the icons anytime you want. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select View. Then, click on the Show Desktop Icons option to toggle off. The second way, you can change the group policy to remove recycle bin in Windows. Navigate to the following location in the left pane. Double-click the Remove Recycle Bin icon from the desktop policy. Select Enabled and click Apply to save the changes. Restart your PC. After restart, the Recycle Bin icon will disappear from the desktop. While you might not see your recycle bin on the desktop anymore, that doesn't mean it's gone forever. Unlike deleting files, removing the recycle bin icon doesn't actually delete the bin itself, it's simply hidden. There are 3 easy ways to access your hidden recycle bin. Using the search bar. Navigate with File Explorer. Using Run command. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.